today is going to be a different type of vlog. Today is Friday, and I never really share my Fridays with you guys because Fridays are usually my day offs from the office, and I usually just work on Life with Holly lifestyle stuff and a little bit of other things, so it's always more relaxing and just chilling. We share the day in my life for that, and I'm excited because it's a little bit different, and I will be going to the plant store. That's the only thing that's a little different. Usually I just stay home throughout the whole day, but there is a sale going on at the plant store, and I wanted to take you onto that. And I'm also in my workout clothes because I need to work out. It's been super busy this week, so I haven't done anything. Been sleeping in all the time because I'm so tired from the night before. And if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen that I did share a little bit of my workout stuff. It's called The Mirror. I will show it when I get downstairs. But other than that, let's get into this video. And if you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as an entrepreneur and my tips and tricks for business. So before we head downstairs to do our workout, I made a huge mess on my vanity. So a lot of the stuff today is going to be cleaning up the house since I've been super busy this week. So a lot of stuff is everywhere. It's going to be a lot of cleaning involved. There's a little bit of work I'm going to do today, so I'll share a little bit of that. And basically that's pretty much it. And then we're going to hang out and head to the plant store, and that'll be the vlog for today. So let's get in. This is how my vanity looks like. It's a little mess because there are some products I'm just testing out. These are just products I purchased myself. And then I just got this super cute cosmetic pouch recently. Super cute. It's from Paravel. I saw Lisa Way on YouTube talk about it. I will link her down below if you're interested, and then also link this if you're interested too. I like how small and compact it is, and I'm going on a little trip tomorrow, so I'm just gonna put that there to get that ready. I also have a cute skincare fridge here. I have a lot of stuff in here. If you ever want to see a full video, let me know, and I'll definitely do one. There's just a lot of stuff in there, but I use a lot of the products every day. And then there's also some new products. I should stop buying makeup, but that's a little mini tour of the vanity. I definitely need to clean it up again once I finish testing some of these products and put them away. So yeah. So right now I need to turn on the lights for my seeds. So I've been 4 days or 5 days ago, I started planting all my seeds, and as you see here, you can see them actually growing, and it's so cute. Oh my god, a lot more grew today. There was only 2 yesterday, and then there was some down here too. I think the lighting's a little bright, but you can see, definitely see what's going on. So cute. Okay, and then now I also have to clean the coffee table, so I'm gonna do that super quick, and then we can go do some workout. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to. So we're finally downstairs after I said we're gonna start working out, and I did a bunch of other things. But right now we're in downstairs, which used to be the warehouse. We had the shelf that we used to fit gym stuff. So there's towels and stuff. So this place is still not ready yet, I guess. As you said, we still have a lot of storage that is behind me. So that needs to be get rid of. There's some donation stuff. Christmas tree is there. But this is the mirror I'm talking about. I did share it on Instagram, so if you haven't followed me, make sure you follow me. It's like a mirror, so you can see yourself work out, but you can turn it on in the bottom. You can work out, basically. So all you have to do is go into the app, and then you basically just go to classes. There's live classes you can do, or you can just do regular classes. So usually I do 15-minute ones, but today I'm probably going to do a 30-minute one since I haven't done anything this week. Sometimes I take it slow, or I do something more intense. I usually do dance when I am doing something more intense, and then I'll do yoga if I'm just trying to relax and kind of just stretch it out So we're just gonna click dance, and then I'm just gonna find which one I want to do. There's like beginner levels and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna choose one, and we're gonna get started. So I'm done my workout, and I am very, very tired. It was a very long one because normally I do 15-minute ones, so to kind of slowly get into working out, but I haven't done one in a while, so I decided to do a 30-minute one, but it was really tiring, but I feel kind of good, so I'm gonna go grab some breakfast and maybe even coffee, because I haven't had coffee in my house for a really long time. It's either coffee or matcha, so we'll see about that, and then I'll check in when I'm in my home office, and we can chat there about a little bit of work for Life with Holly. Okay, so I've changed and I've freshened up, and I am ready to work. I'm in my home office, which is not set up at all. There's stuff that I'm still moving out. I'll probably move that out because I think I need it for the office more. So I haven't really figured out what I want to do with this office yet. Mainly it's to have a desk and a place to work, but I'll slowly get into that, and hopefully I can do another video on that, on how I set up the home office. I'm just trying to figure out what I really want and really need in an office, so I can stick with it and not have to change it in the future. But yeah, so I got my matcha here. It's super tasty and super yummy. Haven't had this in a long time. Haven't really been home often. And when I do, I'm just like sitting on the sofa. I also do a lot of journaling and just like doing my own little hobbies on Fridays. So that's usually what I would do if I wasn't going to the plant store today. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that a little bit. But I'm excited to go to the plant store. So now we're going to talk about Life with Holly Lifestyles and what I normally do. Normally I do content creation. That is my main thing that I'm working on right now. I do still want to do I am working on to do some more business coaching and stuff like that, but I'm slowly getting into that. I finally nailed down my niche, so I'm going to do more product-based e-commerce videos, so you're going to be seeing that a lot, as I mentioned in my last video, but obviously you'll still see the videos that I love creating and I love watching at the same time, so you'll still see those, but I will be doing a lot more scripted videos, so now I have to actually physically plan out the videos a lot more. I have to type it all out and make sure when I film I say everything I need to say, so that is going to be a lot more stuff to do. So normally during the day I will work on the videos, so I will either film YouTube videos, or I'll film Instagram or TikTok videos, and then after that, usually in the afternoon, evening, I will edit all the videos, edit most of them, and if I don't edit them for that week, I will edit it for next week, because sometimes I just need a break, and then the rest of the day I'll just enjoy. So that's kind of how the day usually goes. Currently I am in my classic habit planner, so I don't have a set planner yet for Life with Holly. I do have one that is in the making, and I'm not going to tell too much about that, but so right now I'm just using temporary things. I did have an A5 that I did do a video about, so I'll link it in the cards up above and in the description down below. That video is kind of similar of what I still want to do. I just need to switch it out a little bit more, and then I can start using it. But that video is mainly for, I guess, notes and a little bit of long-term planning, while the planner that I will be using is going to be more for planning every day and weekly. Currently I'm just using this classic habit planner. It has 4 blank tabs, which you can all find at Poi Hun if you're interested. It's really big, but it's not big like a letter size, so it's still easy to carry and stuff like that. I mainly have my monthly goal notes pages in here. I have a lot of notes here, so I do take courses or webinars, so I have the class note insert in here, so if I need to take notes I have that all here, and I'm probably just going to keep them in here because it's just nice to have. And yeah, so that's what I've been using this classic habit planner for the past few months actually, so can't wait to actually get my hands on a real planner, and I can't wait to show you also. But yeah, so that's normally what I do. So right now I'm just probably going to edit this vlog that you're watching right now, and mainly that's basically it, because I did edit next week's vlog last week because I did that one earlier, so I don't have to do that. Today's gonna be more chill because I already did a lot of the stuff last week, so That's great. And yeah, so let's get in and watch me edit this vlog.
And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this.
So I want to share how I have been planning my content and where I've been using it. So if you know me back then, I used Evernote. I would type it out. But obviously I couldn't plan with it. I couldn't do anything. I just use it knowingly to like read when I'm doing my videos. But now I'm using Notion, which lets me plan. There's so many things you can do with Notion. I'll definitely do a more in-depth video when I figure it out. I thought I could figure it out by now, but it's still a really big world and I'm still trying to figure it out. So stay tuned because I'll definitely share more in the future. And make sure you subscribe if you're not. But other than that, that's what I've been using. I like how you can open it. So if it's a video idea, I can open it as a page and then I'll be able to take notes and write down everything I need to do. I'll show you a little bit right now and then I'll show a more in-depth in the future. So here's a very, very simple and quick peek at what I'm doing. I'm trying to split them into different things such as blog posts, YouTube, IG Reels, and TikTok. I haven't been doing my website, so blog post is just there for me to look at, but mainly use it for the YouTube section right now. So as you see, there's like a little paper here, which means I wrote a little bit about it, whether it's just notes in general, shot lists, or anything that is super important. And then there's other ones such as my video for next week, Instagram strategy. This is when I write more bullet points. This is what I did in Evernote back in the day. So I can still use it and still have a deadline, and I'm able to view this in calendar form so I can kind of see what the next video is. Well, you can't see it here. You have to open it in a bigger view, but this is just more like a dashboard for me. So this is a very, very simple and quick a quick look at what I'm doing right now. I'm still testing it out, but I'll definitely do a more in-depth video when I figure it out. So that is basically it. So I'm going to continue working and then we'll chat more and we'll head to the plant store. So I finished a bunch of work and we're gonna head out and go to the plant store. Let's go!
Just a face, just delaying and replaying that look upon your face. Your laugh is contagious, never ages, always seems to make my day. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself like too much, 'cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the
So I'm back in the car and I just want to share a mini haul with you guys. I didn't get that many plants because I already have herbs. I just got this cute little fern here. It's super small. I picked this one up because I did get a little a pot, and then I also got, so the only herb I got was this one right here. This is the calendula, which I think is one of the items that's perfect for tea, so we'll see how this grows. I'm probably gonna put this in the big planter next to the kale area because they look like there's a bunch of them in here. So those are the plants that I got. I also got some gift items. These are just items that I just saw and have been eyeing for a while now. I don't come here that often, but maybe like once every, I usually come more often obviously during the springtime, but normally I come maybe once every few months. So I got this house plant vintage postcards. This is perfect for my journaling community on Instagram, which I'll link down for you just in case you're interested to check it out. I found this super cute book. This one looks like this. It is kind of like almost like a poem book, I guess. and it just has some nice words in there, and I think it would look really nice in photos in the future. So that's why I picked it up, and it was only $14, so super affordable. And then I got 2 cards. I can't show you one of them just in case the hubby watches my video, but I got one of these for cousin that's getting married, so that's super cute. And then last but not least is the pot I got. I kind of showed it in one of the clips, but it's wrapped up right now. I didn't want to open it, but it's super cute and it'll fit the fern I just showed you. And that's my little haul. So we're almost end of this vlog. I'm going to head over to one of my favorite bubble tea places. They do a lot of craft bubble tea. It's a little bit expensive, but it's super nice, and I really love their signature milk tea because it's Earl Grey based, and that's my favorite tea to drink. So I'm gonna head over there and we're gonna drink that, and then we're gonna end the vlog over there. And yeah, so let's go.
Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart.
So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I really love this place. It's a little bit pricey because it is nitro bubble tea, and the people there are super nice. Everyone's like always friendly, and they always talk about random stuff. They're super cute, and I enjoyed, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end the vlog here because usually in the evening times it's just me and the hubbies, kind of like a time to ourselves where we relax, we watch TV. Right now we're watching How to Get Away with Murder, which I have already watched most of it, but I don't really remember TV shows that well, so I'm just rewatching it with him because he's never watched it yet. So that's what I've been watching recently. Sometimes we watch other Asian TV shows, and yeah, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!